Hi everybody, John from OCAM here. Today we're going to be installing a bonnet protector on a GWM Cannon. Should have 4 outer clips, 2 inner brackets, 2 screws, and 4 of the screws that have got the cover on them. To install the bonnet protector, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a ratchet with an 8mm socket. The front nose cone needs to come off. And the way we remove that is pop the bonnet. Underneath the bonnet, we have 4 holes. Inside those holes is a bolt, a screw with an 8mm socket. Remove the screw. Just be careful so you don't lose it. Very easy to do. You can also use a Phillips head screwdriver if you've lost your 8mm socket. Once you've done that, remove the rest of them. Next thing to do is just close the bonnet. Your front nose cone is fixed to the bonnet with a couple of clips and some stick-on brackets that are on the bottom. What we need to do is just to pop off the clips. Best thing to do is just grab it from the end and just pop slowly and surely enough to break the clips, just to expose it. As you can see, there's a cutout there that follows the cutout of the nose cone. Pop your bonnet protector over the top. And as you can see, where the holes are is where the brackets are going to go. Next thing we do once the bonnet protector is on the vehicle is put our adhesive strips on to protect our paintwork. So bonnet protector is on. We can see where the holes are for the clips. We'll get a highlighter and just mark it. Once we've marked all the holes, next thing to do is just remove the bonnet protector and just line up the adhesive strips in the middle, half on top and a little bit folded underneath. And just try and get it in the middle of the marker where you've marked up. And you can just wipe the highlighter off, just like so. Mark the other holes of the bonnet protector on the vehicle and put your adhesive strips on. Okay, the center abrasive strips. If you ever look underneath the nose cone, you got your center point. The abrasive strips go above the first hole to the left and the first hole to the right. What we do then is we go and get our center pieces, our center brackets. Push the nose cone in a little bit, just so it's so the clips are actually lining up with the holes that they're meant to go in. Then get your clips, obviously with the tag facing towards the bonnet, and just lay it on top of the, just on top, like so. And you'll actually see the line of the clip will match up with the line in the bonnet. Once you've done that, push down on the nose cone until it clips in. Now, these clips will also get fastened and tightened up even more when we come in from underneath and put those screws back in. Once we're finished with the center clips, we'll get the wind clips and we'll attach them to the bonnet guard first. So basically you want the bracket with the screw holes facing down. You get your screw with the cap on it, You just screw it on loose for now. Now you'll also find that this bracket also has a adhesive sponge on it. If you take the red strip off just before we install it, it'll help with the adhesion onto the bonnet as well. Once you've done that one, just do the same with the other three. The next step will be to put the two center brackets, attach them to the bonnet protector. Just be mindful and careful of the outer clips as you're installing it. So just put them on nice and loose. And what we do is we'll come here. Might help to remove these before you put the bonnet protector on the car. We'll attach the clips onto the adhesive strips. Get our little screws to secure the brackets onto the bonnet as well. Last step will be to put the screws back in underneath the bonnet with your 8mm socket. Once you've done all that, close your bonnet and you're good to go. Thank you for watching and have a great day.